in obvious indications that Annunciation Catholic College, Ira, Edo State, is bouncing back as one of the foremost secondary schools in Nigeria. This followed concerted efforts by the Old Boys Association of the school to rebuild and revitalize it through infrastructural supports, in consonance with steps by the state government to reposition schools across the state. Clement Akasie, who covered the maiden 9 lessons and carols and other activities of Annunciation Catholic College, Ira, reports that the school is already wearing a new look.
Founded in 1955, Annunciation Catholic College, Ira, has produced notable men who, propelled by the strong desire to sustain its legacies, have embarked on a large-scale infrastructural and academic revival of the school. Edo Broadcasting Service camera lens captured some of the infrastructural provisions by the Old Boys of ACCI, to include well-equipped 6-bedroom copper lodge, the building of the perimeter fence around the school to ensure security, construction of a 1,500 capacity college auditorium, ongoing construction of a 20-bed space school medical center, underground water reservoir, and a well-furnished staff room. Others are the tarring of the thoroughfare from the gate to the principal's office, installation of solar power, construction and stocking of the college library, as well as purchase of 6 mowing machines. Besides furnishing the classrooms, the Old Boys Association of ACCI also engaged the services of over 10 highly qualified tutors, just as incentives such as food items were periodically distributed to staff to enhance teaching and learning, as exemplified through the maiden Christmas carol and presentation of Academic Excellence Award to deserving students. The college choir rendered solemn carol songs, while the first lesson was taken by the global president, Sir Dr. Pascal Isele, represented by Mr. David Akemokan, just as the second lesson was read by Professor Igalo Matthew, who was represented by Mark Ahimie.
Sing aloud, O daughter of Zion. Shout, O Israel. Rejoice and exult with all your heart, O daughter of Jerusalem.
Then shall the lame man leap like a deer, and the tongue of the mute sing for joy.
In their various remarks through Zoom, the global president, Aksoba, Sir Dr. Pascal Isele, Dr. Peter Okoje from North American branch, and Dr. Joseph Akigbe were excited that Annunciation Catholic College was already regaining its glory, and urged the students to be committed to their studies and avoid acts capable of mortgaging their future.
It's an innovation that we will try as much as possible to sustain, because anything for God is always right. And so I congratulate the 1919 set and our brothers in North America.
I am extremely glad at the fact that our school committee members, as well as teachers, are putting in every effort to teach highest lesson in education and moral example. On this important occasion, we get a chance to publicly celebrate this success achieved through sheer hard work and perseverance of both our students as well as teachers.
Academic Excellence Awards in cash and kind were presented to some students, among whom were Masters Agodogbo Wisdom and Odile Joseph for emerging overall best in junior and senior secondary classes respectively. They commended Aksoba and the college management, particularly 1990 set, for the honor and vowed to continue to make the school proud.
I don't know how to thank this set. So I really pray that God should bless the 1990 set. And I also appreciate the principals and the teachers for their teachings and everything they have done for us.
For the 1990 set, they are doing good work, and I'm very sure if they continue like this, we have great people coming out from this school because they'll be motivated to study hard.
I want to specially thank the old boys for their kind gestures ever since, because their kind deeds did not just start today, they have been going on ever since. So I want to use this opportunity to thank them, and I'm praying for God's blessing upon them and their families.
Representative of the chairman on the occasion and global president, Mr. David Akwemoka, and the global secretary, Dr. Esahegbe Ayemere, disclosed that as part of efforts to reposition the school, the Old Boys Association has procured truckload of food items to be shared among staff of the school and called for sustainable government assistance.
We are trying to reposition, reposition the school, to restore the lost glory. So that is why we are doing all these things, so that at least we partner with the government. Let us run the school together to see that ACC, in fact, becomes the best school in Nigeria.
The students who are here today, no doubt, observed that their colleagues got awards. That is motivating enough to make them work harder and even try to unseat those who won today, that next time they will win. So we are even going beyond that, to go even after the workers, because the teachers deserve their wages.
Earlier, the Chief Inspector of Education, Esan Central, Mrs. Irene Uyigwe, and the Principal, Dr. Peter Aikore, were appreciative of the efforts by the Annunciation Catholic College Old Boys Association, noting that the school is set for academic prowess.
I want to thank Annunciation Catholic College for this innovation that they've started. This one will boost the morale of the students.
Based on what other schools also do in urban centers, we can begin to create their awareness and make our students participate. A kind of preparing them to celebrate the Christmas and New Year.
The chairman of North American branch of Ashoba, Dr. Joe Ehens, was among the leadership of the Old Boys Association who sent their global messages during the night lessons and carol. Clement Akasia, EBS TV News.